In today's video, I'm going to teach you quick guide, add cost per item in Shopify. Revenue is great, but profit is what matters. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly where to add your cost per item, so Shopify can calculate your margins and show you how much you actually make on every sale. Start by opening your products list in your Shopify admin and selecting a product. Scroll down to the pricing section. You already use this to set your retail price, but right beneath that price field, there's a smaller field called cost per item. It's easy to miss, and it's the key to unlocking accurate profit insights. In the cost per item box, enter what you pay to source that product. If your true landed cost includes things like packaging or inbound shipping from your supplier, include those so your margin reflects reality. Keep your currency and decimals consistent with the rest of your store. As soon as you type in a cost, Shopify instantly displays your margin percentage and your profit in dollars based on your current price. This quick preview helps you confirm that your price covers overhead like shipping, you absorb, advertising, transaction fees, and still leaves healthy profit. If the product has variants, sizes, colors, or materials, each one can have its own cost. Larger sizes or premium materials often cost more to source. Open each variant's pricing area and update its cost per item so your reports stay accurate. You can edit them individually or use the bulk editor if you have many variants. The goal is simple. When a customer chooses a different option, your profit data should reflect the real difference in what you paid. When you're done entering costs, click Save. That one click locks in your updates for the product and every variant you changed. From here on out, your analytics get much more useful. In Shopify's reports, you'll start seeing gross profit and margin, not just total sales. That means you can identify your most profitable products, spot when discounts are squeezing your margins, and make smarter pricing decisions. Keep in mind, Shopify's margin calculation is based on price minus cost per item. It doesn't include taxes, shipping charged to the customer, or third-party fees. So treat it as a clean view of product profitability. If your margin looks thin, test a small price change and recheck the numbers right on the product page before you roll it out. That's it. By entering a simple cost per item and saving, you turn raw sales into actionable profit insights. Know your numbers, grow your profits, and make every sale count. Your store's back end is now officially professional.